Do you really want your cardiologist doing the surgery on your hip replacement? Yeah, we didn't think that makes a lot of sense either. Yet, continually, we are faced with shinglers attempting to do flat roofing. Or, maybe worse, flat roofers attempting to do shingling. And the analogy we gave with the surgeons really is applicable because while they are both surgeons, they are both doctors, those procedures are very, very different. And just like those procedures, there are major differences between installing a shingle roofing system and a flat roofing system. So let's start with the basic. Number one, fundamentally, a shingle roof is a water shedding system. It is designed to collect the water and then tell it where to go. When you're installing a flat roofing system, you are actually installing essentially a waterproofing system. As you can imagine, the materials, the installation methodology, even the thought process about how the system is constructed is fundamentally different. For those reasons, it's why you don't want a shingle roofer attempting to do flat roofing. Now, how do you know if you're in that situation? Because you have a roofer you really like and you really trust. The simplest thing to do, check their credentials. Just like in the shingle world, there's wonderful certifications, whether it's from CertainTeed or GAF or Owens Corning, and you pick your shingle manufacturer. They all have certifications that contractors can go through. The better they are at their craft, the higher the ranking or credentialing will be. Well, flat roofing has it, but you need to be very, very careful and read the fine print because within flat roofing, there are so many different materials. You need to make sure that your contractor is certified and trained in the material and the system going on your flat roof. Here at Kanga Roof, one of the great things I can tell you is we hold those credentials and those certifications for both shingle roofing and the different flat roofing systems. It's evidenced by our certification or credential of being a master contractor through Elevate, who's our main manufacturer for flat roofing materials, 3 out of the last 4 years. Any given year, only the top 5% of flat roofing companies in the country can even earn that. Earning it 3 out of the last 4 puts us in the top 1% of flat roofing, whether it's for residential or commercial applications. So do your homework, ask to see those licenses, certifications, credentials from your roofer to make sure they're not a flat roofer attempting shingles or a shingle roofer attempting flat. It's a recipe when that happens to end up working with our service department to come back out and fix whatever may have been wrong. With that said, I hope you got some benefit out of this video. If you liked it, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We're always coming out with more content and more ideas to share with you. And if you're in that situation where you do have maybe a home or a business that has both shingle and flat roofing, we'd love to help you because we have the specialized and certified experts in both. You can give us a call, 586-566-0308. You can always skip the line and book online at www.kanga-roof.com. And as always, I hope you have a Kangarific day.